Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make admin in Facebook page. For effective social media management of your Facebook page, which is a gateway to such a vast audience, the role of an admin becomes crucial. Let's delve into the process of adding an admin to your Facebook page and how it can be a game changer in elevating the page's potential to connect with customers and expand your business. To add admin to your Facebook page via your mobile device, run the Facebook app on your Android, then follow this video. Go to the menu. Find the three horizontal lines located in the top right corner on Android and the bottom right corner on iOS, and click on it. On the menu page, look for the relevant page within the shortcuts. Once you've selected your page, you will be asked to switch to the page via a pop-up. Click on Switch. Within the Switch profile, click on View Professional Dashboard. Scroll down to see Page Access and click on this. Now, tap on Page Setup. Click on the relevant section, People with full Facebook access or People with task access, and add a new admins as mentioned in the previous section. And it's best to use a password manager to make this process easier and less confusing, especially if you have multiple Facebook accounts. And that's it. You've succeeded in adding admin to the Facebook page on mobile. The benefits of adding an admin to a Facebook page is Facebook admins can bring consistency in posting, engaging, and monitoring page activities. Consistent content management raises your brand awareness. With constant monitoring, you can learn your audience's preferences and needs and respond accordingly. Helps respond to customer inquiries on your business page faster and boosts online reputation. Create a multi-location social media management plan and automated posting schedule. Admins can use Facebook's advertising tools to promote specific posts, events, or the entire page to reach a broader audience. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.